Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code CE-34224-5 on PS4. Method 1. Power cycle your PS4. To do this, you have first to turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. After that, unplug the PS4 from the wall power outlet. Disconnect any peripheral attached to the PS4 including the DualShock controller. Leave your PS4 in this state for 5 minutes or so. After that, plug the PS4 power cable back into the wall outlet. Only connect the DualShock controller to your PS4. Turn on the PS4 while the DualShock controller is connected to it, and wait for the PS4 system software to completely load. If the game, app that causes the problem is installed on an external storage, connect it to the PS4 and wait until it's recognized and enabled. Otherwise, if it's installed locally, don't connect anything yet to the PS4 and try to launch it before anything else. Method 2. Stay up to date. The PS4 system software update is important because it helps to fix bugs and improve the performance of your PS4. So, if the CE-34224-5 error code is caused by an incompatibility issue or even system file corruption, updating the PS4 system software can resolve that. Otherwise, you should check for a game's updates and version manually. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Method 3. Restore license. Just go to Settings. Select Account Management. Select Restore License. Restoring your licenses may take several seconds to minutes, depending on the number of licenses you have in your internet connection. Method 4. Try cleaning the game disk. Your disk might be dirty and need cleaning. Use a little alcohol with a piece of fabric and clean it gently and softly until you see it has become clean enough. If you notice some major scratches on the lower surface of the disk, then it's a strong indication that the disk is damaged and you have to get a new one. Otherwise, you need to use the disk on another PS4 and check whether it works fine or not. If it does, then the PS4 system might have some corrupted, damaged files that must be repaired. Method 5. Rebuild database. Press the power button present on the front panel of the PS4 to turn it off. The indicator will blink a few times. After turning off your PS4, press and hold the power button and keep holding it until you hear 2 beeps. The first beep will usually be heard when you press it initially and the second beep when you keep pressing it, for around 7 seconds. Now connect the PS4 controller with a USB cable and press the PlayStation button present on the controller. The PlayStation will now be in the safe mode. Select the option Rebuild Database. At that time, it will warn you that it may take hours. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix the error. Method 6. Move your game app to the internal storage. If the game app that is having problems is not installed on external storage, please skip this method. When the storage device on which the game app is installed is malfunctioning, defective, you'll get errors when trying to run that game app. In order to avoid any troubles concerning the functionality of your external HDD on PS4, just move that game app to the local internal HDD and try to launch it from there. Method 7. Delete and reinstall the application. Press the Options button on your controller while highlighting the application icon on the home screen and select Delete. Then reinsert your game disc into your PlayStation 4 system if you have a disc version, or go to the library to download the application if you purchased the game in the PlayStation Store. Method 8. Check PS4 hard drive health and factory reset PS4. Firstly, you need remove the PS4's internal hard drive. Now, on your hard drive, just clean off the connection pieces by use a soft, dry cloth to carefully wipe as follows. Once done, reseat the internal storage of the PS4 and see if problem is fixed. If you are still experiencing issues, the HDD could be corrupted or faulty. Usually, you shouldn't worry much if you don't hear any noise coming out from the hard drive. One more time, remove the PS4's internal hard drive. After that, you need to have a computer, the two SATA cables, data and power, or externally, easier option, using a USB external hard drive enclosure. Connect it to a PC by in one of the two ways mentioned above. Using Crystal Disk Info software to check the health status of the hard drive. If its condition is not good, I recommend that you better upgrade your PS4 hard drive. In case if you don't get a new hard drive is not possible now or it was only slightly damaged, you can try to full format your PS4 hard drive. A full format will totally eliminate errors on the hard drive and restore its performance. For details on how to remove the PS4's internal hard drive and check its health status, please refer to the video linked in the description. Finally, if you're still getting the database's corrupted error or sometimes it shows up again, then your HDD seems to be on its last leg. It works for now, but I think that it won't be for long. You may need to get a new hard drive, back up your saved data, if you don't already have it saved to the cloud with PS Plus, and install on a fresh drive. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.